Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to have multiple box plots in one figure. Here we are having group 1, group 2, and group 3. So we are having 3 data sets and we are plotting the box plots for each one of them. And finally, we can have a comparison between them to analyze our data sets. Okay. When we come here, we are generating 100 numbers with the mean of 0 and the standard deviation of 1 for data 1. We are having it for the mean of 2 and the standard deviation of 1 for the data set 2. And for the data set 3, we are having the mean of -2 with the standard deviation of 2 here. Okay, so now we are having our data, everything is ready. We are having the size of our figure also. Then we are having the box plot to plot our figure. Here we are having 3 data sets and we want to have all of them. So we're going to include the data 1, data 2, and data 3, comma. Then we are having the labels like group 1, group 2, and group 3, which are shown here. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. Here we are having the title, the box plot for multiple group, font size and the bold, and the label for the y-axis, which is values. Okay, so when we run the code, we see this box plot, for example. Now, this one, you see that has more variation. Why? Because the standard deviation of the third data set is larger than the others. The others were having the standard deviation of 1, but this one has a standard deviation of 2. So we understand that the variability in this dataset is larger as compared to the dataset 1 and dataset 2. And we understand that the interquartile range is bigger as compared to Q2 and Q1. So we are having the 50% of our data here, while here the data is more dense and also it's more dense as compared to group 3. So these are the things that we can understand. And also we see that the lower whisker and upper whisker are much far away from the Q1, Q2, and Q3 as compared to here. So we are having the lower whisker very close to the, for example, Q1, but here the difference is larger. And these are the things that we can understand rapidly when we are looking at the figure. But then we can also have the notch to be true. So when we look at the figure now, we see that, for example, in this place, it's very wide, the notch, but this place, it's very narrow. And also, it is something between this one and this one. For the group 1, it's something between this one and this one. So here is narrow. It means that we can have more confidence, and here it's very wide. It means that we are having more variability in our data set. This is also another thing that we can understand. Also, as a reminder, we can see that our outliers here that are below the lower whisker are here, and we are having one that is above the upper whisker. And here is my median, here is Q1, and here is Q3. In this video, we learned how to have multiple box plots in one figure, and also we understand that we can explain them, and we learned how to interpret different box plots and compare them with each other. Thank you for watching.